What's behind the jungle? Right behind the jungle. Yeah, there's the theater. And you may see the landscape wicket there. Okay. And now here, there is a tree house. You know who is for Tyson. Okay, Tyson tree house there. But now he is taking a staycation. So maybe you see him next time by those rocks. Okay, no swimming here because so many crocodiles in the river. Now we are at the entrance of the river. Now your left hand side, you can see the mother elephant is teaching her little one use his trunk. Yeah, he is trying to practice.
Oh, there's something.
And now there is something you cannot see every day. On your right hand side, an elephant is taking a shower, but looking at those wrinkles. He's taking underwater song. So now is the father elephant. He always playing with the water. Okay, people at the back, be careful. He's going up again. Okay, he's joking on us. Okay, now we are entering an old temple, which already are thousands of history, 1,000 years. And now on your left hand side, can you see those giant spiders?
Giant spider, can you see the spider?
There. And they can jump 20 feet. But don't worry because we got 10 feet away. And then when they jump, they will come through. Don't worry.
Spider.
And now, can you see that
real,
statue? That statue is the elephant god. And also the king cobras. Okay, children, do you afraid of snakes? Yeah, afraid of snakes? Anyone want to go back? Because this river, so many animals want to attack you. Anyone want to go back? No? Actually too late. Let's go. And what I told you earlier, so many crocodiles in the river.
Oh, look baby, crocodile.
Look at your left hand side, right hand side. Do you know how they call us? We call them crocodiles. They call us for dinner. So make sure, protect your hands and arms, don't put it outside. And we are entering the camp by the Professor Potter. But maybe he's outside working and now just
there, baby, look, the gorilla here.
Oh, so dangerous. Anyone like a banana wearing yellow clothes? Protect yourself, huh? Now, what can you see in your front?
Oh, there, Sophie, look, zebra,
animals.
elephant.
Yeah, zebra and giraffe and also the elephant. Yeah, this one is the number 2 fierce animal in the jungle. Yeah. Who is the number 1? His mother-in-law. Okay, now we are entering the hippo.
Hippo, Sophie, hippo.
I see you already. Can you see those hippo?
There, Sophie, hippo.
Each of them got 60 pounds. Look at their mouth, so big.
So big. Oh.
And one more here. Yeah, very smelly, right? So, make sure, children, brush your teeth and go sleep. Okay. Now on your left hand side, can you see those explorers? Because they are afraid of the hippos, so they go there. But now attacked by the rhinos. Do you want to rescue it? Rescue them? No? No. Okay. Now go ahead. No rescue. Okay. Now you can see those colorful.
Sophie, look, what's that?
Do you understand?
What's that?
Yeah, this is
it's
the sign of the headhunter.
Headhunters.
So we keep quiet and they pass through, okay? Keep quiet. Don't let them. They can smell free. Oh, there is smoke. Okay, yourself. Get down. Okay. Okay, anyone get hurt? No?
No.
Anyone get hurt from the poison dart? No? Make sure don't keep the souvenir, okay? Otherwise, next time they got no poison dart for the tourists, okay? Now, there's only one way to the duck, and we only go straight. Wow.
Whoa.
Maybe we need to change another route. It's so dangerous. Wow. This courtyard is so strange. Maybe we need to going back. It's so dangerous here. Oh, they brought our escape. No way back. We are entering the courtyard of God. danger. Okay, out of danger. And very soon we will go back to the dark. Anyone get hurt? No? Still here?
Yeah.
Okay, can you hear something on your left hand side? Yeah, that is the Disney elephant. We saw it earlier. Yeah, still practicing. And saying goodbye for us. Bye. Say goodbye to